He's blue.
Okay. Okay, you already blew once. Blow. Okay, that's one. Wait, just one, so you know that we don't fake. Okay, and I'm putting this straight in here. Wait, Des! Don't get off, because I don't want people to think I fake. See? Okay, the same one with that disgusting stuff in it. I'm putting it in here. Okay? And that will stay here. Okay, now Nat, your turn. Proper, let's get some stuff out.
I can't.
Guys, I can't do this.
Just wait. Just do it, put in there. Yeah?
I'll give you whatever I have.
Okay, thank you. Oh gosh. Okay, just put it in. Okay, I'm a man of my word, so what can I say?
You're gonna drink the tissue?
Yeah.
No, with the seat.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh!
Yeah!
Okay. Oh.
Wait. Dude, are you really gonna do this?
I'm gonna do this, man. This is for my listeners. Everybody who's tuned in to the Hits Party and been nice enough to put in comments. I love you guys. And I'm willing to do what it takes to show you guys that I love y'all. Where's Nat? Okay, now.
God, Ian!
Sam? Look at Sam. Just gonna throw up. How much gunk did you have in your... Oh!
Take it off. Oh! 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 Yeah, enough.
Alright. Taste of a new generation. We got the crickets up next.